Hey everybody, it's BN Win with Fathom Realty, and today I've got another tip and trick on how to sell your home quickly. And we are going to be talking about appraisals, and we're talking about them from the seller's perspective. So when you are selling your home, there's going to be a buyer out there that may be getting financing. And getting financing means they are getting a loan. It could be an FHA loan, a VA loan, a USDA loan, depending on the area that you are in. And so with that, the lender will request an appraisal so that way they will know whether or not the home is valued for the loan. So appraisals are oftentimes done by a certified appraiser, and depending on the type of loan, it may require a appraiser that is, for example, an FHA loan. It's going to be required that they be FHA approved in terms of the appraiser, or VA certified for a VA loan, and it's an opinion of value. And it belongs to the buyers. And so this is something that's really important as a seller for you to understand, that because the lender is the one that is getting the appraisal, the person that has access to it is going to be the buyer, and they don't have any reason to share it with the seller. So how does this impact you from the seller side, and why it's so important in selling your home quickly? Well, it's about the purchase price. So it's really important to set a realistic listing price, and thereby influencing what it is that the buyer puts down for the purchase offer. Because if they're not able to get an appraisal that is a certain amount, then they may not be able to get the home. They may not be able to secure the funding that is needed. Now, as a seller, you may be thinking, well, I'm just going to get a cash buyer anyway. And it would be great to have a cash buyer. But be mindful that that obviously limits your choices on the number of buyers out there and the timing of that. So if you want to sell your home quickly, you're going to want to be able to be as open to as many buyers as possible, and setting the list price at a realistic price that will get buyers in, as well as meet the appraisal contingencies. Then that's going to be that much quicker in selling your home. So if you'd like some more tips and tricks, definitely follow my YouTube subscription there below. And if you are somebody that's considering selling your home and would just like a free consultation, contact me today, because I promise you it's not going to be about pressure. I'm going to be educating you on the process and making sure that you get the results that you want to achieve. So let's chat soon. Take care.